This is our McLaren instrument cluster test platform. The test platform is used to test only McLaren 570S, 650S and 12C instrument clusters. The type is basically easy to recognize because they have a connector like this one on the back. Although both types look different, but the connector is the same. So here is connected the 570S, and other similar models like 600LT, 540C, they are all compatible. So we power it from here, and we connect the cable over here. When powered, we see the voltage here, and the cluster is powered immediately. However, the platform is currently not turned on, so this is the state when ignition is not on yet, so you can see the car. And if we change the switch over here, it will actually wake up. So we do a test, which is actually easier to see on the 12C and 650S, but here is the behavior. A few boot up tests to see if ignition can turn on and off properly. Then ignition stays on for a while like this, so you can check if the LCD works fine and test this behavior over time. If you want to switch it off, you just directly go here, you go back to the previous state, or you just turn it off like this. So the other cluster, we test it immediately, just disconnect this plug. Okay. Now we're connecting to our 12C 650S instrument cluster. Now it's connected. We give power. Now the cluster is powered. For this model, when it's powered, you can only hear the buzzer. So we just switch it up, and everything looks like it turns on. And the needle is being tested, which is an important test that the 570S cluster doesn't need. So this is done a couple of times, and then the cluster stays on without restarting anymore.